everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Sathwik Arts. Today I received a box as my birthday gift from my bestie, so let's unbox it. I received this from Amazon and except the bill, there is nothing on the box. And by seeing the present, I surprised. Wow, excellent. These are Staedtler Brilliant Color Fine Liner pens, 50 in number. This is really amazing. When you look at the box, it is a metallic tin box. And on the front side of the box, it is written Brilliant Colors with a number of color pens on it and a logo of a triple fine liner pen. And I also got a coloring book with the pack. You will get the Staedtler fine liner pens in the number of 8, 10, 20, 36, 48, 50 and 60. At the sides there is nothing written, and at the back side of the box you will find the 50 color swatches of the pens and the on-box price with a sticker on it. The on-box price is 4316 Indian rupees. And I am removing the polythene cover. It's not much heavy, and at the back side of the box you will see the description of the product in 6 different languages. Remember, please note the color swatches in a paper, as it will be easy to draw anything by picking desirable color you want. If you open the box, you will see 25 fine liner pens in the top row and 25 fine liner pens in the bottom row. The pens are beautifully arranged according to the color swatches given behind the box. These are tripless fine liner pens. That means the shape of the pen is in a triangular shape and you have a nib size of 0.3 mm. And as these are 50 in number, you will see few colors repeated twice, and you also see an amazing set of fluorescent colors. Colors like peach color and blue color are repeated twice. If you take a single pen, there is a description of brand name and tripless fine liner written on the pen. They didn't mention any color name on the pen. And the nib size, as I said, it is 0.3 mm. It is very thin, and you can draw any outlines, mandala arts, any cartoons with these pens. And these pens are very quickly dryable, and you won't see any color bleeding through the paper when you draw. Thank you for watching Sathwik Arts. Please subscribe this channel for more unboxing videos. Thank you.